Whether it's weed control, insecticides, or fertilizers, getting the correct mixing ratio with concentrates can be annoying and time-consuming. But what if you can easily dial in the ratio and not have to worry about cross-contamination and waste? Then check out our future product of the week, the Mix On Exit Backpack Sprayer from Chapin. This unique sprayer has a 15-liter clean water tank and comes with 2 single-liter concentrate tanks. Keeping the water and concentrate separated means that you no longer have to use up or throw out any premixed products when the job is done, or when swapping to another concentrate. And thanks to the mix ratio dial, it's easy to make adjustments for the chemical that's being used, even out in the field. To make filling as simple as possible, Chapin gave this sprayer a large 6-inch mouth opening with a filter basket to catch any dirt or debris that might find its way in. There's also a second and third filter to help prevent clogging nozzles, one in the bottom of the tank and one within the wand itself. All the filters are easy to clean with a soft brush and a quick rinse. The 20-inch poly wand itself has a cushioned comfort grip and a lock-on feature, so you don't have to be squeezing to keep spraying. The system includes 3 different nozzles, a poly fan, an adjustable poly cone, and adjustable brass. All of them can be easily swapped out based on the application. The features seem to be endless on this sprayer, like the padded backpack straps with lumbar support and the swappable pump handle for left and right use. But if farmers, counties, and golf courses want to save time and deal with less waste, then check out the future product, the Mix On Exit Backpack Sprayer from Chapin. Let me know in the comments what sprayer you're using to get the job done, or find the link below to see all the sprayers we have to offer. Thanks for watching. See you next time.